Hi there everybody, my name is Richard McMahon and in this video I am going to teach you how to pass a numerical reasoning test, and in particular you and I are going to work through 21 fantastic questions and answers to help you improve your scores. So a very warm welcome to this tutorial. That's me there on the right hand side, Richard McMahon. I've been helping people like you pass their numerical reasoning tests for over 20 years now, so we're really going to focus on this particular test. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the red subscribe button below the video. That means you'll get notified as soon as I create videos like this, which I'm doing now every week. We have over 70,000 people subscribed so far, so please make sure you join the community. Also, if you do like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Please like the video because that motivates me to do more for you, and in return you will also receive the slides. I'm going to give you these exact slides you can download and work through again once we've completed the test questions, and also I'm going to give you free access to my online psychometric testing suite to help you further prepare for your numerical reasoning test. So lots of incentives to subscribe, like the video and stick around from beginning to end. Okay, let's get straight into numerical reasoning test questions. Start off with a real basic warm-up question to get going. Question 1. You spend £41.01 on groceries, £49.54 on fuel, and £12.50 on lottery tickets. How much do you have left from £105? Now, you will get multiple choice options, and here we have A, is it £19.15, B, 95 pence, C, £1.95, D, £13.50, or E, £1.15. So, how do we calculate this answer? Very simple. Step 1. Add all of the items together, and if you want to use a calculator as we go along, please feel free to do so. So £41.01 plus £49.54 plus £12.50 gives us the answer £103.05. However, what we have to do now is subtract £103.05 from 105 to get the answer £1.95, which we would select C on the answer sheet. Okay, here's your go to have a go at a basic numerical reasoning test question. So please put your answer to question number 2 in the comment section below this video for marking, and I'll come on each day and mark them for you. So question 2. If you spend £14.45 on a train ticket, £11.35 on your lunch and £32.77 on a theatre ticket, how much do you have left from £100? Is it A, £43.14, £43.41, £41.43, D, £58.57, or E, £35.83. So don't forget, put your answer to question 2 in the comment section below, please. Now, I've put a timer here on the right hand side. You'll notice this red timer. This is going to give you about 13 seconds per question, which is not a lot. So we're putting ourselves under pressure, but if you do need to pause the video for each question as we move along, feel free to do so. So here's your timer starting now. Okay, well done. Moving on to question number 3, another one for you guys to have a try. Please put your answer to question number 3 in the comment section below for marking. A worker's toolbox weighs 22 pounds when it's full. He removes a hammer, which is 1.7 pounds, a saw, which is 1.5 pounds, a chisel, which is half a pound, a torch, which is 1.98 pounds, and a tape measure that's a quarter of a pound. How much does the toolbox weigh now? So A, 16.07 pounds, B, 15.17 pounds, C, 15.07 pounds, D, 16.17 pounds, or E, 17.27 pounds. Please put your answer to question 3 in the comment section below the video for marking. Here's your timer. Great stuff. Moving on now to question number 4. We're making progress. If there are 18 grams of fat in 100 grams of chocolate, how many grams of fat are there in 750 grams of chocolate? Is it A, 126, B, 135, C, 18, D, 700, or E, 74? This is how we calculate the correct answer. Step 1. 18 divided by 100 gives us 0.18. So that's 0.18 grams of fat in every gram of chocolate. Then what we need to do for step 2 is multiply 0.18 grams of fat by 750, because we're told that there's 750 grams of chocolate, And the answer therefore is B, which is 135. Okay, now it's your turn to have a go at this similar question. So please put your answer to question 5 in the comments section below this video for marking. Here we go. If there are 30 grams of sugar in 150 grams of chocolate, how many grams of sugar are there in 600 grams of chocolate? A, 1,200, B, 450, C, 1,800, D, 180, or E, 120. Again, please put your answer to question 5 in the comments section below. Here's your timer. Off you go, guys. Brilliant stuff. Well done. If you do need to use a calculator, don't forget you can do so. Feel free to do so. And also pause the video if you need more time. Here we go. Question 6. A petrol tank holds 770 gallons of fuel. If it already contains 200 gallons of fuel, how much would it cost to fill up if it costs £4.12 for every 5 gallons? Is it A, 114, B, 900, C, £560, D, £469.68, or E, £782.13. Here's what we need to do to reach our answer. Step 1. This 770 gallons minus the 200 it already has, that gives us 570 gallons we need to fill up. Then step 2, divide 570 gallons by 5 because it costs £4.12 for every 5 gallons. That gives us 114 multiplied by the £4.12 for every 5 gallons equals £469.68. The correct answer, therefore, is D. So, now it's your turn. Please put your answer to question 7 in the comments section below the video for marking. Here we go. A truck holds 910 gallons of fuel. If it already contains 305 gallons of fuel, how much would it cost to fill up if it costs £7.11 for every 5 gallons? A, £1,815, B, £3,025, C, £2,168.55, D, £186.31, or E, £860.31. So again, put your answer to question 7 in the comment section below. Here's your timer. Okay, you're doing brilliant. So we're going to ramp it up a little bit, get a little bit harder as we go along. Don't forget, if you are enjoying these, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. I would very much appreciate that. Question 8. Jeremy spends 2 hours and 25 minutes on the phone talking to his friend abroad. Now, if the call costs 9p per 5 minutes, how much does the call cost in total? A, £3.61, B, £4.32, C, £2.61, D, £4.05, or E, £3.78. Step 1, here's what we need to do. First and foremost, don't forget to convert the 2 hours and 25 minutes into minutes because it costs 9p for every 5 minutes. So there's 60 minutes in every hour. 2 hours is 120 plus the 25 is 145. Step 2, then what we do is divide the 145 by 5 because you're charged £9 for every 5-minute element. That gives us 29 different elements. Multiply 29 by 9p to get the answer £2.61. The answer, therefore, is C, £2.61. Here we go. Question 9. Please put your answer to question 9 in the comment section below the video for marking. Mohammed spends 3 hours and 25 minutes on the phone talking to his friend abroad. If the call costs £7.50 for every 5 minutes, how much does the call cost in total? A, £307.05, B, £307.50, C, £307.15, D, £37.50, or E, £1,537.50. That's an expensive call. Okay, don't forget to put your answer to question 9 in the comment section below. Here's your timer. Brilliant. We're doing fantastic. We're making great progress. Don't forget to stick around because you will get these slides to recap and also get access to my online testing suite. Question 10. Let's do a percentage one. What is 60% of 340 minus 27? Is it A, 177, B, minus 25, C, 187, D, 4.76, or E, 476? Okay, step 1. Calculate 60% first of all of 340. So to get that, we need to divide 340 by 100. So that gives us 3.4. Then 3.4 times 60 to get 60% of 340 equals 204. Then minus simply 204 minus 27 gives us 177 for the answer. Correct answer, therefore, is A. Okay, your go. Please put your answer to question 11 in the comments section below the video for marking. What is 45% of 900 minus 34? A, minus 14, B, 20, C, 416, D, 371, or E, 301. Please put your answer to the question below the video for marking. Here we go, here's your timer. Brilliant stuff. Question number 12. Here we go. Ramping things up a little bit. A flight leaves the airport at 2200 hours. So this is in the 24-hour clock. So 2200 hours is 10 p.m. It is an 11-hour and 45-minute flight. There is a 2-hour time difference. What time will they arrive at their destination, assuming the time difference is 2 hours ahead? Is it A, 11:45, B, 12:45, C, 10:45, D, 00:45, or E, 23:45? So step 1, 10 p.m, 2200 plus the 2 hours time difference ahead gives us midnight. Step 2, midnight plus 11 hours is 11 a.m. Step 3, 11 plus the 45 minutes, because it's an 11-hour and 45-minute flight, equals 11:45. Therefore, the correct answer again is A, 11:45. So here we go. Your turn to please answer question 13. Question 13. A flight leaves the airport at 2300 hours, which is 11 p.m. at night. It is a 9-hour and 25-minute flight. What time will they arrive at their destination, assuming the time difference is 1 hour behind? A, 19:25, B, 07:25, C, 07:35, D, 06:35, or E, 08:25. Please put your answer to question 13 in the comments section below the video for marking. Here's your timer. Brilliant stuff. Moving on. Question 14. Let's change things up a little bit now, make it more interesting. The time is now 7 p.m. on the clock on the right-hand side. What time will it be if the large minute hand moves 720 degrees clockwise? Is it A, 9 a.m., B, 9 p.m., C, 1:40 a.m., D, 10 p.m., or E, 11:25 p.m.? So that is the large minute hand there that I've just put that rectangle around. Step 1. There are 360 degrees in one full rotation of that hand. Step 2. One 360 degree rotation of the minute hand equals 1 hour added. So step 3. If there's 720 degrees, that is 2 hours added. Because if 360 is 1, 720 is 2. Therefore, the correct answer is 9 p.m. We just have to add 2 hours to the 7 p.m. And the correct answer is B, 9 p.m. So here's your turn. Please put your answer to question 15 in the comment section below the video for marking. The time is now 7 p.m. on that clock on the right hand side. What time will it be if the large minute hand moves 540 degrees? Is it A, 12:40 p.m, B, 12:40 a.m, C, 8:40 a.m, D, 8:40 p.m, or E, 8:30 p.m? Please put your answer to question 15 in the comments section below the video for marking. Here's your timer. Okay, fantastic. We're making wonderful progress here. Question 16. The time is now 7 p.m. What time will it be if the small hour hand moves 90 degrees? Is it A, 10 p.m, B, 7:15 p.m, C, 9:45 p.m, D, 10:15 p.m, or E, 11 p.m? So that is the small hour hand, and it's now 7 p.m. So step number 1. There are 360 degrees, don't forget, in one full rotation. Step 2. There are 12 hours in a full 360 degree rotation of the hour hand. Therefore, there are 30 degrees for every 1 hour gained. So every hour gained equals 30 degrees of the small hand. So 360 divided by 12 equals 30. Step 3, 90 degrees therefore equals 3 hours. So if 1 hour movement, so from 7 p.m. till 8 p.m. of the small hand equals 30 degrees, 90 degrees is 3 hours. Simple. So therefore the answer is now 10 p.m. and that's A. So you have a go at this one. Now it's your turn. Please put your answer to question 17 in the comments section below the video for marking. Here we go. The time is now 8 a.m. What time will it be if the small hour hand moves 150 degrees? Not easy. A, 8:15 a.m. B, 11 a.m. C, 11 p.m. D, 1 p.m. or E, 1 a.m. Please put your answer to question 17 in the comments section below the video for marking, and here's your timer. Okay, moving on swiftly. Question 18. Which two numbers, I love these, come next in the sequence? 4, 2, 14, 12, 24, 22, and then we need to work out which are the next two. So is it A, 34 and 32, B, 32 and 34, C, 44 and 52, D, 52 and 44, or E, 28 and 26. So we're looking for what comes next there in the sequence. So we're looking for multiplication, subtraction, addition, division. So you will notice that the first, third and fifth numbers are increasing by 10 each time. So 4 added by 10 is 14, added by 10 is 24. And also you'll notice that the second, fourth and sixth numbers, the green ones there, are also increasing by 10. Therefore, the correct answer is A, 34 and 32 would come next. So now it's your turn. Please put your answer to question 19 in the comments section below. Here we go. Which two numbers come next in the sequence? We have 12, 10, 18, 16, 24, 22. You need to decide which two come next and in which order. Is it A, 20 and 28, B, 30 and 28, C, 28 and 32, D, 32 and 28, or E, 26 and 28? So please put your answer to question 19 in the comments section below the video for marking. Here's your timer. Brilliant stuff. Moving on. Question number 20. There are 55,000 people in a football stadium. If 22% are female, how many are male? A, 33,000. B, 42,950. C, 42,900. D, 12,100. Or E, 26,750. Step 1. Calculate 1%. So if there's 55,000 people in the stadium, that's 100%. So we need to work out what 1% of that is. So 55,000 divided by 100 equals 550. So 1% is 550. Step 2, calculate 22%. So all we need to do is multiply 550 by 22, and that gives us 12,100. So if 12,100 are female, all we need to do is to minus 12,100 from 55,000, the total, to get the answer, which is 42,900. So the answer, therefore, is C. Your turn. Here we go. Please put your answer to question 21 in the comments section below the video for marking. There are 87,000 people in a football stadium. If 18% are female, how many are male? A, 15,600. B, 15,660. C, 71,340. D, 69,000. Or E, 105,000. Please put your answer to question 21 in the comments section below the video for marking. Here's your timer. Okay, well done. You've done brilliant if you've got through the 21 questions. Now, I'm going to quickly give you the answers to all of them, and we can work through these together. Don't forget to stick around because I'm going to give you these slides any second now, and also those free tests. So question 1 is C, question 2 is C, question 3 is A, question 4 is B, question 5 is E, question 6 is D, question 7 is E, question 8 is C, question 9 is B, question 10 is A. Question 11, D. Question 12 is A. Question 13 is B. Question 14 is B. Question 15, E. question 16A, question 17D, question 18 is A, question 19 is B, question 20 is C, and question 21 is B. So if you want to pause these and revisit, don't forget, I'll give you the slides in a second so you can work through them again. So if you want these slides, please click the link below the video. You'll have to look in the description. It's a LinkedIn SlideShare page that will go through to my website where you can download the slides. But you can also get those free tests, access to those free tests, by going to the website mypsychometrictest.com. I've put the link directly below the video, and it's also in the first comment, so you can click it on there. Don't forget, please subscribe. Do give the video a like and say hi in the comments section below. If you'd like me to create any kind of tests for you as well, videos like this, please drop it in the comments section and tell me what they are. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that numerical reasoning test session, and I wish you all the very best in your pursuit to passing your numerical reasoning test. Thank you for watching.